Have you ever stood in the middle of a room and wondered exactly why you walked in there? That sudden sense of confusion is a warning signal.
At 60, many accept memory loss as an inevitable fate of aging. But your brain isn't just getting older, it might simply be starving for proper fuel.
Imagine your mind as a vast, ancient library, where a thick fog has settled over the shelves, making it difficult to find the stories you once knew.
This is the reality of brain fog. It is not just about forgetting names. It is the feeling of losing the sharp edge of your own consciousness.
You might forget where you placed your keys or find yourself struggling to follow a simple conversation. These moments can feel like a shadow. Leaving the stove on or forgetting a friend's name can be concerning. It creates a worry about what the future holds for your mental independence. Inside the brain, this fog is often related to inflammation. Your neurons are like delicate wires that can become frayed over the passing years. When these cells lack support, they may lose their ability to communicate effectively, leading to the cognitive changes we often fear as we get older. But what if I told you that this process is not a one-way street? Your brain possesses an incredible, hidden ability to maintain and renew itself. Welcome to a new understanding of neuro-nutrition. Today, we reveal the 7 golden foods that can help clear the fog and sharpen your mind. Modern neuroscience has evolved. We now know that your brain is plastic, meaning it can adapt and rewire itself regardless of your actual age. This neuroplasticity is the key to staying sharp. Think of your brain not as a fading machine, but as a garden that simply needs better soil.
If you have a vintage car, you don't stop driving it. You give it high-quality oil and premium fuel to ensure it runs smoothly for decades.
Your brain is the most sophisticated engine in existence. For years, we were told to avoid all fats, but that advice may have impacted our minds.
Did you know that 60% of your brain is actually made of fat? When you lack healthy fats, you are impacting your thoughts.
Many people avoid things like chicken skin or natural fats out of fear. However, these contain components for building strong neural membranes. Collagen and specific fats support the structural integrity of your nervous system. They help ensure that the electrical signals in your head travel fast. It is time to stop fearing food and start using it to support your health. Let us explore the first of our powerful brain-activating superfoods.
Food number 1 is fatty fish, specifically salmon. This isn't just a healthy meal. It is a concentrated dose of brain-supporting omega-3 fatty acids.
When you prepare a piece of salmon, you are releasing the nutrients that help manage inflammation and protect your brain cells from the effects of time. Take my father as an example. At 74, he struggled with brain fog until he started eating salmon twice a week. Now, he stays sharp. His memory was supported, his mood lifted, and his focus sharpened. The omega-3s acted like a lubricant for his cognitive gears, bringing clarity back. These essential fats are the building blocks of the brain. They support the fluidity of cell membranes, allowing for clearer thinking every day. Next are berries. These small fruits are like tiny batteries of antioxidants, designed by nature to protect your neurons from oxidative factors. Blueberries and strawberries are packed with flavonoids. These compounds have been shown to support brain health as you age. They act as a maintenance crew, helping to manage the waste that can clutter your mind. Adding a handful to your breakfast can change your day. The third powerhouse is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collards are the shields that protect your DNA from the wear and tear of aging. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, lutein, and folate. These nutrients work in harmony to support cognitive health as we get older. By including just 1 serving of greens a day, you are giving your brain the structural support it needs to stay resilient. As we move into the next group of superfoods, we look at items often forgotten in the modern diet, yet essential for a sharp mind.
Food number 4 is the humble egg. Don't fear the yolk. It is actually one of the richest sources of choline on the planet.
Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a vital neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and memory. It keeps your communication lines open. Eating eggs regularly provides the raw materials your brain needs to support new memories and recall old ones with much greater ease. Next, consider the walnut. It is no coincidence that this nut looks exactly like a miniature human brain. nature is giving us a clear hint. Walnuts are higher in omega-3 fatty acids than almost any other nut. They provide a plant-based boost that supports your arterial health. They also contain high amounts of vitamin E, which helps to shield your brain cell membranes from the effects of free radical oxidation. The sixth golden food is turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound so powerful it can actually reach the brain directly. Curcumin helps manage the buildup of amyloid plaques, the protein factors linked to memory challenges. It acts as a support for your internal structures. Adding just a bit of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to your meals can significantly support your brain's defense systems. These simple additions to your diet are the foundation of a sharp mind. But there is one more secret food that many people view as a treat. That secret is dark chocolate. When it contains at least 70% cocoa, it becomes a powerful tool for supporting your cognitive blood flow. The flavonoids in cocoa gather in the areas of the brain that handle learning and memory, supporting performance and even improving your daily mood. A small daily portion of dark chocolate is more than just a luxury. It is a ritual that supports long-term mental health and vitality. Now, let us talk about how to prepare these foods to maximize their benefits. The way you cook is just as important as what you eat. Bone broth, simmered properly, releases collagen and amino acids like glycine, which are essential for supporting the gut-brain axis. Take garlic, for instance. To activate its brain-protecting compound, allicin, you should mince it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This simple pause allows the reaction to occur, transforming a simple ingredient into a potent support for your cardiovascular and neural systems. Proper preparation ensures that the vitamins and minerals remain intact, allowing your body to absorb the brain-supporting power these foods offer. When you bring these ingredients together, you aren't just making a meal. You are creating a symphony of nutrients designed to revitalize your mind. This is a brain support plan. It is accessible, delicious, and backed by years of scientific research into the power of geriatric nutrition.
Let us walk through a sample day of eating for a sharp and clear mind. It begins the moment you wake up and nourish yourself.
Start your morning with 2 eggs and a few walnuts. This combination provides the choline and healthy fats needed to support your cognitive functions. This simple breakfast provides a steady stream of energy, helping to manage the mid-morning fog that often comes from processed cereal options. For lunch, enjoy a piece of salmon with sautéed greens. The omega-3s and vitamin K work together to keep your thoughts flowing smoothly. Adding a small portion of whole grains provides the glucose your brain needs for fuel in a slow-release form that keeps you focused for hours. Notice how much more alert you feel when your body is given the right building blocks. The afternoon slump can become a thing of the past. As the sun sets, choose a light dinner of bone broth soup. It is gentle on the digestion and deeply nourishing for your brain's maintenance processes. Finish your day with a square of dark chocolate and some berries. This provides a final boost of antioxidants to support your brain while you sleep. Within just 21 days of following this simple pattern, you will begin to notice the fog lifting and your mental sharpness returning. Because staying sharp isn't just about memory. It is about staying connected to the people you love and the life you have built. Your mind is your most precious gift. Protecting it is an act of love for yourself and your family, ensuring your legacy stays clear. Brain fog is not an inevitable requirement of aging. It is a sign that your body needs a change, and you have the power to make it.
Every meal is an opportunity to support health. Every bite of these golden foods is a step toward total mental clarity.
Remember the 7: salmon, berries, greens, eggs, walnuts, turmeric, and dark chocolate.
These are your allies in the journey to a sharp old age.
Age is just a number, but your mental clarity is the quality of your life. Choose to feed your brain the very best nature has to offer.
The science is clear, the path is simple, and the results can be life-changing. You don't have to live in a fog anymore. Clarity is within reach.
Start today. Whether you are 60, 70, or beyond, your brain is ready to respond to the care and nutrition you provide it. Invest in your mind as much as you invest in your future. The dividends of a sharp memory and a quick wit are truly beyond measure. Be the person who remembers every story, every joke, and every precious detail of the lives of those you care about most. Break free from the fear of decline. Embrace the power of nutrition and watch as your world becomes more vivid and more certain every single day. Thank you for joining us on this journey to brain health. May your mind remain as sharp as a diamond and as bright as the morning. Eat well, live fully, and cherish every moment of clarity. Your brain is a masterpiece. Keep it in its most vibrant condition. For a future full of memories and a heart full of joy, take the first step toward a sharper brain in your very next meal. Your mind is a gift. Protect it one meal at a time. Because a life well remembered is a life truly well lived for all your years. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders of your own mind. We will see you next time for more health secrets.